Okay, so while the canopy is, windows are drying over there with the canopy glue, I was going to show you how I do the battery. So we don't know exactly where the battery is going to be, but I got a pretty good feeling it's going to be in this front section. It could be in the middle section, could even be in the back section. Just don't know until we get the CG tested. But I can go ahead and wrap the battery, and I want to make sure that the battery is not only wrapped, but it's also well anchored down. And that's the first step, is get the battery well wrapped. Okay, so I prefer to use the Dubro. This is the 1/4 inch. They also make a 1/2 inch. The 1/4 inch is better for the battery. 1/2 inch is better for other things. But the Dubro foam rubber, to me, is superior to other foam rubbers that I've bought. Here's two different other brands of foam rubber. Both of these have the same problem, that after a while they start to shred. Okay, they're not as dense, and they do shred a lot. So I've taken them out of airplanes, don't use them anymore. Still got a box full of other Dubros and other types of foam. A lot of times you'll find a good use for a foam like this. This is the foam that came on top of the OS engine. Okay, so save those. I got a box of foam. All right, so to wrap the battery, I start with a piece of this kind of Velcro. Comes in a long roll. They're about 8-9 inches long. And they're easy just to wrap around and hold it first. And then I use the Velcro brand of Velcro. Seems to work better. It's stronger. So I always buy the Velcro brand of Velcro. The knockoffs don't seem to be as strong. So I take this Velcro one wrap and wrap it around, overlapping about that much from here to here. And that's all there is to it. Now, I will likely use this Velcro brand of wide strap of Velcro. They call this their industrial strength Velcro. I got a big long roll of this, and I'm talking about big long roll, like 20 feet. I've been working off of that for years. I will likely use this to hold this down, piece of this down there, but it's not the only thing that I'll do. So depending upon where it goes, I might have some mechanical way of holding it in place, like a piece of balsa or a piece of plywood or something like that, or some other way to strap it down that won't come up. Just setting this on a piece of Velcro, it could come off. So I'll get that figured out when we make the CG test, find out exactly where it goes, and then I'll decide what's the final thing that's going to hold this in place so it doesn't move up or down. This airplane, I'll probably fly it upside down inverted every once in a while. It'll have a negative G or 2 on it. Negative 2 G's is pretty easy for this kind of an airplane, because you do an outside loop with this. This thing will probably do an outside loop. Not sure I will, but we'll see. I've got 3D machines that do that quite easily. But if you do an outside loop, you're going to pull this Velcro off if that's all that's holding it down. So that's how I wrap the battery. CG test will be coming up, and we'll find out where that battery goes. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.